Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix too many login attempts on Swiggy. Let's get started. First, go to your phone settings and open Apps, then select Swiggy. If you are in the Android, tap Storage, press Clear Cache and Clear Data. While if you're using an iPhone, tap Offload app, then reinstall it. Next, try switching your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch it to mobile data or vice versa. This works because sometimes your IP gets temporarily blocked after multiple login attempts. You can also check for updates like go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for the Swiggy and update it for the new version if it's available. If nothing works, your account may be temporarily locked. In that case, wait for the cooldown period or contact Swiggy support for help. And that's it. Try these steps and you should be able to log in again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.